asigoyi sihamba moyeni siyafambrisha, we are vroeging. Abaze singisi baye bathi grass always looks greener on the other side. Angazi ukuthi wena uthini kodwa ake sikhulume ngalento yobuside chick namadoda ashadile. Kahle uNkulunkulu amadoda wadala kabuhlungwana. Awoneli sidalo nje, awoneli sidalo. Out of 100 men, only 1 man is loyal to umfazi. And worst lately njoba sekungena indaba yezithembu nani amadoda sangena athe phithi umsele kuwasilaya, wonke amadoda afuna ukuthatha isithembu. Wonke amadoda abona isolution kuyisithembu. Ake silalele le engifuna ukuthi uyizwe namhlanje ngoba hayi yalazi ihlaya lokugcina into enje. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story. Lalela, ngiza nendaba ngifuna uvo lwakho, sondela eduze ngifuna uvo lwakho.
Hello, sanibona ngijumelang igama uZandi isibongo ubheka umalwandle lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zonihambela lekude phezulu. Do join.
What are your thoughts? A side chick managed to become the second wife after the man legally married her. The first wife, feeling betrayed, filed for divorce and left. Later, she reconnected with her ex-husband, and now she becomes the side chick of the husband. Now, the man no longer stays at his marital home. He has bought a duplex in a beautiful estate and stays there with the ex-wife, who has now turned the side chick. And they are now living there with their children. Despite the efforts to reconcile and bring her back, the ex-wife insists that she prefers being a side chick, claiming it pays better than being a housewife. Meanwhile, the former side chick, who is now the official wife, is crying, accusing the ex-wife of using charms on the man. What are your thoughts? That was the post. Yangeni nuningafi. Yahamba inunengafi yabuya galakanqa yathi lalele yami le ndoda. Usizwile yini isingisi? Usizwile isingisi? Uma ungasizwanga isingisi ithi ngikuhlaziyele ngoba angifuni ukuthi usalele ube left behind. Ube left behind. Siyafunda la ekhaya. Impilo isibonisa impilo ngamanye amehlo la kufanele siqaqeke sibe wash uthi noma ungene emathandweni kodwa ungene with both eyes. Yeah? With both eyes nalo ehlaphukile ungangeni ngalo ngoba lo uyalahlekisana lo usenza izidomu lo. Ithi lencwadi ithini imbono yakho ngale ndaba? Kusho ukuthi uxoxa into ayiwitnessayo, maybe it's family, friends or whatever, but into eyenzakalayo la ukuthi kunendoda nomfazi. Indoda, I'm assuming ukuthi indoda emi kahle ngoba nayi ithatha itapa izididilizele bafazini. Kusho ukuthi le ndoda imi kahle ngoba le ndoda, this man bekashadile nalo nkosikazi wakhe, bahlala khona banezingane, okay fine, sharp, i-life imnandi, yonke into iphashash ku-grand. Kodwa le ndoda, just because indoda, like every man engeneliyo, uyahamba uyajola ajola nale side chick aze abone ukuthi no man, instead of ukuthi ngiloke ngijola kanje angikhulume nalo wife wami ngimthatha uside chick wami abe u-second wife, right? Okay, yonke into ikhulunywe, khanjiswane, kuboniswane, kuhlaliwe phansi, imindeni ihlangane, kulotsholwe, kwenze yonke le yanishishi nani, whatever that takes place mangabe uzoba u-second wife. Kusho ukuthi yonke leyo process yesintu nesilungu yenzeka, wavuma umfazi. Uthe mevumile umfazi, kusho ukuthi uvuma nje lo uyaqaqamba, uyankenketha, usho kancane ngazi ukuthi ufuna nokuma. Kanti umfazi uphezulu kwamacebo. This is a clever wife, by the way. Ngiyamthanda lo mama lo. This lady is a clever wife. Wathi okay fine, shadani, bashada baqeda. Bathe mase bashadile baqeda, wavele wasuka wahamba wayofaka i-divorce. Wathi hhayi-ke ngoba usumthathile othandwa inhliziyo yakhe i-side chick yakho lo boyifuna ufuna ukuyenza u-second wife ngikhona mina. Kusho ukuthi mina angikwenelisi, ayikhona lento eshodayo, angikuphi kahle baba. Sala-ke nomfazi wakho omusha. Waphuma umfazi emshadweni, waphuma kulesi thembu, wadivosa indoda, wahamba waziqalela impilo yakhe elsewhere. Shuthi mhlampe-ke bamnika i-settlement. I assume ukuthi bamnika i-settlement, and i-settlement abamnika yona was a good one because she managed to ukuthi ahambe ney'ngane zakhe ayoy'hlalela la ayoy'hlalela khona. Jiki umfazi wathi eyami le ndoda, eyami le ndoda, eyami le ndoda, yelelele, wathi lalela eyami le ndoda. Wahamba wajika 360 degrees, wahamba walanda indoda yakho wayibuyisa la. They rekindled their relationship, baqala phansi bajola kwabamnandi kwanjeya. Babuyelana bajola kwakuhle. Bathe mesebuyelana bejola wathi umfazi ngithengele indlu. Ehamba indoda yolanda ilokhunjana i-duplex kwi-estate kuthiwa nje in an expensive estate, yamthengela i-duplex. Kuthiwa wathi umfazi-ke okay fine-ke leyo duplex yenza sure ukuthi isegameni lami. Wahamba indoda yenza kanjalo, yamthengela leyo ndlu leyo isegameni lakhe, right? So indlu leyo uma isesegameni lakhe, obvious bazohlala ney'ngane zabo, baney'ngane eziwu-3 apparently. Baney'ngane zabo bayohlala lapho ney'ngane zabo, bahlala kwamnandi kwanjaya. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi unkosikazi vele bekanikezwe allowance ngoba phela since abeka u-ex-wife. Uthe makasuka lapho i-allowance ngapha, unomuzi ngapha, u-right, so usezihlalela kahle nomyeni wakhe. Umyeni lo manje sekafuna ukubuya kulo nkosikazi ayethathe owesibili ekhona. Indoda ifuna ukubuyela phansi manje iyolanda umfazi wayo ngoba phela nangu they have rekindled, phela i-relationship yabo is starting all over again. Sekumnandi kakhulu futhi ngiyacabanga. Indoda-ke manje thiwa isivele yalaxaza phansi lo mzi wayo nalo mfazi wakhe ose-official owayeyi-side chick wagcine u-second wife. Umlaxaze wamshiya phansi. Hambile manje indoda isihlala le kwa-side chick. Umfazi owayewumfazi mfahe ekuqaleni, the original wife, is now a side chick. Indoda ibhizi iyancenga, ithumela ngisho abantu bakubo ukuthi bamncengele, ithumela ama-family members, ithi ngincengeleni ngifuna ukumshada again. Asiphinde siyenze be-official lento, kwaku-wrong vele ukuthi sidivorce. Uthi umfazi no, cho baba, ngi-right, ngiyi-side chick. Kahle futhi yabona njengoba ngiyi-side chick, yazi ama-benefits wami are much better than as when I was your wife. Yey nina nenzani lapha ezweni, nenzani lapha emjolweni, emshadweni, nenzani, kwenzakalani? Hayi awuyichaze nawe la ngezansi life graduate ukuthi ucabangani. Ithini imbono yakho ngale ndaba, ngalesi situation lesi futhi yazini nginiyeke.